how to turn off and disable forums category on Gmail PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable the forums category right here on Gmail. As you can see, now all what you have to do is go to the top and click on this settings option, click on see all settings, go to inbox here, the third option, and right here you will find many options. Now go to the forums and click on it like this, and it's turned it off. Now scroll down and click save changes. As you can see, it's gone. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.